Welcome to the farm. Before they become sandwiches, this is what a turkey looks like. This turkey's face looks like a melted candle. Turkeys evolved to look this way so that predators would think they taste as bad as they look. "Ew," said the hungry wolf. "Let's eat it anyway," said the starving farmer. And they did. And they found that even ugly turkeys taste great. This is goat jail. This goat is serving time for being a bad boy. You'll notice there are no jail guards. Being a goat jail guard used to be considered an admirable trade. But since the invention of rope, all goat jail guards have been made obsolete. If you look closely, you'll notice this cow has a beach boy haircut. Originally, the Beach Boys were going to be called the Cowdoos. "Ah, that'll never work," said Brian Wilson. "Let's go to the Beach Boys." Wait a second. And that's how music was born. Check out this goat in his neck tassels. You know a goat's got pizzazz when he's rocking their neck tassels. The one in the middle is a pimp chicken, aka the rooster. He reports to the Godfather turkey. Take note of the ragged-ass chicken in the bottom right. Godfather turkey doesn't like street urchins.
"Get away, you dirty bird!"
Meanwhile, in goat jail, that rope is really doing the trick. And here we have an ongoing relationship between a cow and a dog. Oh, it's over. To prove the theory that goats are lazy, I walked up to this one and painted eyebrows on it. It hardly noticed. Oh, hey, look, it's back on again. Oh, no, it's over. It's okay, cow. I have a turkey friend with a great personality. Is he handsome? Not really. Is he hideous? Undoubtedly. This goat is trying to remember something. Where did I leave that poop? Oh, that's right. Everywhere. It's everywhere. I'm just gonna lay in it now. This pig threw himself a birthday party, but nobody else showed up, so he has to bob for apples all by himself. How pathetic. The worst part is, he didn't even win. Yeah, sit in the mud, you loser. These camels traded in their humps for pants. Good call, camels. Humps give you backaches, but these pants make you look cool. Oh, they're alpacas. Well, here's a fact about alpacas. They have weird teeth. And this one here is a juggalo alpaca. How was that insane clown posse concert? Not good, I bet. You're never going to get out, you stupid goat.
Oh my God, he's escaped. Oh, he's coming for me. I take back everything I said, I'm sorry.
So ends our journey to the farm. I hope you learned something.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more funny videos, pictures of dogs with eyebrows, fluffy cows, and all the yelling cats you can handle, check out thepetcollective.tv.